Minestrone Soup. Minestrone soup is basically a thick soup of Italian origin, loaded with tons of vegetables like carrots, beans, zucchini, mini pasta, and proteins from kidney beans or Rajma. It's a whole meal that comes together in no time. Let's get started.
First add olive oil, bay leaves or tej patta, quickly chop the onions into cubes, add the onions, next finely chop the celery, let's add it, goes in the celery, saute it at medium heat. Next, add finely chopped garlic. I'm going to quickly chop the vegetables. Sweet potato, chop into small cubes. You can also add potato. Add it to the soup. Zucchini, chop it into cubes. One carrot, peel it and then chop into cubes. Salt to taste, freshly crushed black pepper, give a mix. Next, add crushed tomatoes, add some water, just chop the tomatoes and blend it, mix it well and then cover and cook at medium heat for 10 minutes.
The best part of any soup is that you can add veggies which you have on hand, so feel free to change this recipe.
The soup has become little thick and the vegetables are half cooked. Now let's add macaroni or any pasta of your choice.
I had soaked some kidney beans or Rajma last night. I have boiled it. Now let's add it to the soup.
Boiled Rajma. Stir it.
Let's cover it with a lid and allow it to cook until the veggies and pasta are well cooked, maybe for around 10 minutes.
Let's check. It smells amazing. Now I'll add lots of chopped spinach. Mix it and cook for 5 minutes uncovered. Look at that, the pasta is soft, the vegetables are cooked. You may adjust the consistency of the soup by adding more water. Add Italian herbs. It's a blend of basil, oregano, thyme. Next, I'm going to grate good amount of Parmesan cheese. This will give a nutty flavor and richness to the soup. Finally, some fresh basil leaves. And our soup is ready to serve. Carbs, protein and veggies all into a single bowl. This makes a complete meal. This is the best comforting food in winters.
I love vegetable soups and this one is a great way to add healthy veggies into your daily diet. So do give it a try and let me know how it turned out to be.
Super yummy. You have to try this.
Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Subscribe to Akshay Foods. healthy. See you next time. Bye bye.